everybody, welcome back to my new addiction. Tonight I'm gonna have what I call my death row meal, if you will. That's that meal that, like, if you were on death row and then you knew you were about to be executed and they came and said, what do you have anything you want for your last meal? This is it. This is my last meal right here. And that's beans, cornbread, fried potatoes, and fried cabbage. Man, let me tell you, that's heavenly. That's why I say it would be my last meal on this earth if I had to choose. That's my favorite meal. So why don't y'all tell me what your favorite meal is down there in the comment section. Maybe give a like and a follow. Hell, you don't even have to like, just follow me. Sometimes I may do something stupid. Hey, you never know about me. So go ahead. You know, you never know what you might miss if you don't. So. Anyway, love you. Y'all be good.